Hey everyone, this is Nu and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be my last Halloween look for you guys. I honestly cannot see anything at all. It's like super blurry. I'm not even sure if I'm recording. I do see the red wreck on my screen, but the rest is history. I had a lot of fun doing this look. I really wanted to do something a little bit more on the creepier side than my actual other two looks that I did for this year. I just really wanted to film it and post it before Halloween so you guys could be able to see it. And yeah, so this is a look that I got inspired by, let me just find her. It's I'm.Nikki. I can't really see, so I'm not sure if it's focused or not, but this is the look that I really got inspired by. I obviously did it a little bit more different. I kind of put my own twist in it. So obviously I just added up my own twist to this look, and I really wanted to create something different on my own. As much as I love her look and as much as I really wanted to recreate it, but I also felt like I needed to put my own twist into it. So this is what I came up with. I had a lot of fun creating this look. I really wanted to do something a little bit more creepier than my other previous two looks. So I really like this one a lot. I just brought it down a little bit down the neck and I added some blood there, and I just added this spiky vest that I got from Zara, like I would say maybe 3 years ago now. So if you guys want to see how I created it, please keep
in my mind. Every time I see you up in your reflection, I see my eyes, and I can't help but lose track of my time. Fall in love again. Fall in love again. Fall in love again. Not all beginnings of things. Is this thing we call just distance between us? And if words aren't enough, is this way?